We chose SE Landscapes because they could offer a complete service. We had a big job done here, working right the way through the back through to the front of the house with lighting, plumbing, all sorts of additional bits featured in, and they could cover off all of that. They could bring all the contractors in. The main problems were that the patio and the pathways were over 30 years old and really needed replacing. The trees had got too big. We wanted something that was really enjoyable for the whole family but was easy to maintain. We found their website, we could see they were award-winning, we could see the images of some of the work they've done, and we thought, well, that's what we want. And then the first meeting with Will Crozier, we were more or less sold straight away. He was very clear he could deliver what we wanted. SE Landscapes helped because the design sort of evolved. The whole thing was really brought together with them. So we started off with a great colour scheme and good materials, and then we worked with Connor on bringing the whole design together throughout the project. We've had quite a few neighbours stop by and say, oh, it looks wonderful, you know, would you recommend them? We said, yeah, without hesitation. They start on day one and then they're here every working day until the job is finished. We were really satisfied with the final design and build. You know, you had no idea just how big the garden was until we've seen it all opened up. The space the family needs to come together and really enjoy. I would rate the professionalism communication as absolutely first class. At the beginning of every day we would run through with Connor, the site manager, what he's going to do that day. Are you happy with this? Are you happy with that? That's been exceptional. We've never experienced that kind of level of communication before. I would just advise to get on the phone to Will Crozier and invite him out. He'll take it through there. He's got such experience, he'll talk you through. Really, the earlier you can start speaking to him, the better, because he really brings solutions together. The bit I'd like to add about working with SE Landscapes is just how well we got on with the team. They really wanted to work with us, so we could always ask them, in your experience, what would you do? And the advice was always excellent. We're almost sorry to see them go. I'd recommend SE Landscapes to others because of the attention to detail. They've got all of the landscaping skills. They can bring everything together. And I think it's the first-class communication. They make sure that you make the best choices using their experience, but they never force their opinions on you. It's always a discussion and a solution that you build together with them.